which with a huge short interest of about 40%, that has just grown or increased by 685%. Will this stock squeeze? Will there be a short squeeze on CYN anytime soon? For the session on the 24th of May 2022, it's lost 7.96%. Only 924,000 shares crossed the tape. And the folks at Cyngn Alpha are saying that Cyngn is an autonomous vehicle technology company whose stock, obviously CYN, has experienced a lot of volatility of late. You can see that it has experienced a lot of volatility of late. This is the 20th of, that's about a month ago. It spiked all the way to 5.49, and today, the 24th, is now down at $1.85. So with some of that built into the company because of its absence of revenue, the company is not making money as such. Despite having no revenue, the firm has a solid balance sheet and it has a unique potential valuable vision. Though speculative, the company has gained further legitimacy, and it is worth looking into because of some of the recent developments. So as recently, the chairman and CEO of the company indicated that they've started developing Drive Mod, the autonomous driving solution for industrial and commercial use cases. They knew it could revolutionize industries by solving huge problems organizations are facing, like rapidly increasing operational costs and accidents that result from human error. Over the last 2 years, and the global pandemic have shown them how critical industrial automation and intelligence are to ensure continuity of operations. Automation can overcome labor shortage and global supply chain disruptions. So they believe that one of their products, Infinite Tracker, presents Cyngn with a near-term opportunity to begin generating revenues. They also believe that this product has significant potential for continuous growth over the long term, especially as e-commerce continues to grow and the need for global fulfillment expands. They have begun offering Infinite Tracker through account-based enterprise sales and partners that will act as value-added resellers. And they are pleased to report that they have already received their first booking for the product with a strategic customer and resellers. They see significant opportunities that they will be pursuing with large multi-billion-dollar corporations. So they also believe that this stock will drop below $1.5. Okay, that's at some point it has actually dropped below that, but it has yes, as of the 20th of May, it was below 1.5, was at $1.05. So this stock is obviously that short interest that I'm talking about. Let me show you that this short interest on CYN. You can see that 40.54% increased by 685%. Is there going to be a short squeeze anytime soon on CYN? Well, it is. You can't rule that out. But it is definitely it hasn't really attracted a lot of interest from market participants, I believe. Going by this volume we have. So we have an intraday high of about $1.93. So using that, we take a low of 1.808, 1.93. So that gives us a difference of 0.122 multiplied by 2.618. We get 0.319. We add that to the current price of $1.88. So we have a target of 2.19. There's every reason to watch the stock. The fundamentals, they are gradually doing their best to get the business going. They are not making money yet. that would definitely that is one of the many reasons, amongst other things, that market short sellers are skeptical. It's a technology companies, quite speculative, all that stuff. In the industrial world can survive without automation and all these things they are talking about. They've been making money, they've been surviving. Billionaires have been made without these things. They've been, so they're not fundamental. That's why, amongst other things, short sellers are skeptical. So given all of these things, money has been locked into the stock. So let's assume, let's use this market cap of 62.1 million. So our target is $2.19. So let's use 62 multiplied by 40. So 24.8 million shares is what is, what is in the stock. Because by the fact that short sellers have sold the stock short, it means that there's money in the stock. It means there's money in the stock. $24 million. That is what we're talking about. $24.8 million. That is what is locked up into the stock. So the fundamentals are not wonderful, are not super excellent, but the real thing is the stock. For traders, for investors, this is the most immediate quantity they are talking about, which is the money in the stock, which is $24.8 billion. So that's by far more important than the market cap, by far more important than whether the business is making money or not. This is the most immediate useful quantity, this short interest. So keep the stock in the radar. You must have found out what you must have definitely found out that it is one of the most heavily shorted stocks out there. Okay, so right now it is very much bearish. Momentum is not doing well. Right now, momentum is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20-day level, which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares of CYN and driving the price lower. Okay, but it has $24 million locked up into it. So I'm not saying you should buy it, but just keep watching it. Target is in the near term is $2.19 for CYN, and I'll continue to update you. So thank you very much for watching this video.